What would you say caught Microsoft's attention? Your idea, the Magic Cup, or were there any more bright ideas?
I hope I had other ideas in my career. Actually, Imaging Cup was the first way to express myself and to find to share my voice with the rest of the community. And since then, I've been working and meeting with many other bright people in Microsoft. And talking with those people, I realized that I could do even more of that. And that's why now I'm in the position where I am, working in the headquarters with the core of the Microsoft team on the future of the web. I started in Microsoft UK in a team of consultant as a user experience consultant. I was like all of the other people that started with me. They were all good for other reasons. Like not everyone won the Magic Cup, but other people won like other competition, or they've been already exceeding in their careers. And it was great actually to meet a lot of people that are very good, and it was easy to interact with them, and it's been always a great culture. I think we got friends in less than 1 week, so it was a very good start.
And now, today, you are traveling a lot.
Yes, so today I'm working in one of the core team in that quarter. I'm an evangelist, so I share what's going on inside Microsoft with the rest of the community. I talk with communities and I get feedbacks, and I work closely with the product teams. And part of this is to travel, right? It's not just about US, it's about Europe, about Asia, about many other countries. And that's why I'm here today. Being the first time to Slovenia, I can say it's great to meet the Slovenian audience and see that their needs and their culture is different from other cultures. And that's what makes us all grown, right? Being able to interact across people and different cultures.
So for you, it would be very difficult to describe a typical working day.
So it depends. One could be on an airplane. The day after, I could be in the office. Let's say that if I'm in the office, most likely I'm spending some time on my projects and a lot of time also working with other product teams. It's nice because in the campus in Redmond, each building is basically the building of a product team. So you go to building 50, it's the Internet Explorer team, or you go to building 37, it's the Windows team. And so I spend a lot of time moving from buildings to building, just having meetings and talking with other teams. Another day could be like taking the plane, going to San Francisco or going to Europe. And as I'm here this week, like meeting customers, meeting developers, and have great conversations.
Since you've visited so many cultures, for which country would you say is the most hardworking?
That's a good question. So I don't think there is any country that is hardworking. I think each country has its own challenges. For example, where you move into APAC, they are great people, very professional, very, very timing and exact and precise. However, sometimes you hit like communication challenges. It's kind of normal. I don't speak Chinese yet, so that's one of the challenges there. When you are in other countries in Europe, for example, you will see that they are pretty conservative. They're pretty focused on their own scenario. When you are in US, there are countries where actually get that exact opposite. People are so social and it's all about openness. And none of this is a bad thing. It's just a different way to think and to work.
And how will the future of the web look like?
That's an easy question, right? The future of the web will be beautiful. It will be interconnected. I had a few sessions here where I showed that actually the devices are not anymore just PC. It's not just anymore a phone, but it will be everywhere. So think about drinking the coffee. Your cup could actually be somehow connected to the web and have information that is sharing with the web. Or think about walls, where you can just touch the wall and that becomes a screen, and then you can interact with the screen. And all of this information, they're not in the browser, but they are available in the web. And so that's where I think the web is going to.